This method of prostate biopsy allows for precise targeting of suspicious regions within the organ, allowing a specificity and precision of the biopsy method not previously available. With this new technology, we can specifically target regions of interest within the prostate, regions detected by the MRI, allowing a precision of biopsy and an accuracy of prostate pathology characterization not previously available.
After powering on the Artemis device workstation computer and cart, help the patient into the left lateral decubitus position, with the back nearly parallel to the edge of the bed and the legs pulled towards the chest. This position provides the maximum range of motion for the tracker arm of the biopsy device. When the patient is in position, attach the needle guide to a transrectal ultrasound probe and gently insert the lubricated end-fire transrectal ultrasound probe into the patient's rectum. Advance the probe until a two-dimensional transverse view of the prostate is clearly visible on the monitor. When the approximate center of the prostate is visible, rotate and advance the probe until the junction between the prostate and seminal vesicle is visible, representing the area where the prostatic neurovascular bundle enters the gland. Insert a 22-gauge spinal needle through the needle guide channel on the transrectal ultrasound probe, and advance the needle into the junction between the prostate and the seminal vesicle. Infiltrate this space with 10 cubic centimeters of 1% lidocaine, creating an ultrasonic wheel and causing a separation of the seminal vesicles and prostate from the rectal wall.